What is going on, everyone? This is Jeff from Daily Drivers, and today we got a 2021 Kia K5 LXS all-wheel drive. So pretty awesome that Kia is kind of following in the footsteps of automakers like Subaru, that they're actually offering all-wheel drive in their sedans, which is pretty cool, because all-wheel drive in a sedan is what I found to be very desirable in this market right now, just because of gas prices and fuel economy and stuff like that. So having something capable in the snow and getting good fuel economy is very crucial right now in this market. So let's go around to the trunk here, see what kind of room we have. Pop the trunk here. Right. I thought that was where the button was. It wasn't pressing for some reason. The backup camera is right next to it. I'm gonna say it's hidden there. But looks like you got a good amount of room back here. We'll try and pull this up here. Got your spare tire and your jack in the bottom. Good amount of room in the back. And then you have your pull-outs for your seats to go down. You pull that out. You pull that out. And we're going to go back here. And we're going to put the seats back up. Well, actually, they would come down. Sorry. So it just releases the latch, and then you can pull them down if you want, and then they'll snap back in place. Let's go ahead and sit down in here. So awesome amount of room, super comfortable. Does have the cloth seats, and then you have your cup holder in the middle here. Yeah, I mean, it's nice and reclined, so you can pretty much relax back here. I mean, it does have a good amount of room, very comfortable, like I said. Do have two USBs down at the bottom there. And then we're gonna get out and pop the hood. Gas cap is a pop out, and you can kind of see the pearl. This is the Glacial White Pearl, which is an added option. Then you have your keyless entry. You can just press that button, lock and unlock. Sorry, my earbuds popped out there. So this is as soon as I get the hood pop here. Where is it? Here it is. So it's a 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, as you can tell right there. Puts out 180 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque through an 8-speed automatic. And fuel economy wise, you're getting 26 around the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. Go ahead and close this. Now the LXS all-wheel drive does run a base MSRP of $26,590. However, this has the glacial white paint and carpeted floor mats. So the actual as tested sticker for this is $27,190. I put the key in here. And the key fob is actually pretty cool. It's actually the first one I've seen where the buttons are actually on the side, which is pretty cool. And we'll go ahead and start her up. Pretty quiet startup. All right, so to access your driver information in the middle, there's this piece of paper button right here. You can press that and go through whether you want your settings, trip information, vehicle information like your speed, tire pressures, stuff like that. And then you also have your lane keep assist, lane departure warning, blind spot warning, a multitude of safety features. Then you do also have your heated seats down here, as well as a power driver's seat. And then your glove box has a decent amount of room. They even left the window sticker in there for me. You got your center console, a good amount of room, not the most I've seen, but a decent amount. And then the fun button here is drive mode, so you can actually switch between smart, normal, sport, custom, and snow. So we're gonna take it for a ride in normal, and then we'll switch it to sport when we get on the on-ramp like we usually do. And we're gonna go ahead and do Android Auto. Alright. Now it is nice because this does have wireless Android Auto. You don't have to plug your phone in like you used to with older models. So your Android Auto will just pop right up on the screen there, which is awesome. I love Android Auto. Google Maps is so nice. It just projects your phone screen right on the big screen there. So we're actually going to do a sound test for this sound system. All right.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
So it's not the premium sound system, but for just the normal generic run-of-the-mill Kia sound system, it sounds pretty good. It's not too bad. It's actually not too bad at all. Okay. Alright. Then you do have dual zone climate control down there. I have it synced with my side. Air conditioning, of course. Okay, I think we're ready to take this for a spin. Gotta watch my wires there. All right. I can tell it's very torquey. As soon as I got on the pedal there, I didn't really have to give it much for it to start going forward, so that's exciting. I like responsive throttles. As soon as this truck goes here. And we're good. Yeah, it's very punchy. As soon as you get on the pedal, there is no delay at all. It just goes. So that is very nice having a throttle response that's responsive. Some people don't like that touchy of a gas pedal, but that is a preference for me. So it did pretty well coming up the hill. We're going to go around these turns up here and see how it handles. that 1.6 turbo is pretty punchy going up the hill here. Alright, so what we're going to do now is, of course, we're going to take it on the ramp and we're going to put it into manual mode. Alright, so we're going to, right now, we're in fourth, we're going to drop it down to second. See what you got. It's punchy. Honestly, that was pretty good. That was really good. Nice Hellcat.